Hello everybody, welcome to Coloring Quackers. Today I'm going to share my completed coloring page for the open collaboration called Coloring Party with Friends 2025, hosted by Disney and Coloring with Jamie, and co-hosted by Crafting with Pat and more. Today's video, I used these oil pastels. It was my very first time coloring an entire page with these. I'm not sure if I like it, coloring with those. It requires a lot of effort. It's a really good for stress relief if you're having like a bad day or something. Coloring with oil pastels I'd probably recommend because there's a lot of vigorous blending that you have to do. I used Q-tips for my blending, but some people use their fingers. I just didn't feel like getting too dirty, although my fingers are dirty from the oil pastels. Here's the picture I did. It's in this book called Cute Hobby Farm. Really easy coloring pages, and I just did this. So, well, have a good day.